Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages it doesn't really matter. Simply open the keyboard here, and all we have to do right now is to simply find the settings. So we have to tap on this, let's say, keyboard and world icon. So let's tap on it and enter the settings, which are right here. And as you can see, we've got the languages at the very top, and here we've got the list of added languages. We've got only English right now, and under it we've got available ones. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one, Sinhala, however it should be pronounced. It is because I would like to show you the actual difference, so I want to pick the graphical language. So all you have to do is to simply tap on this plus icon. And sometimes you will, of course, have to download it, because not all of the languages are available. As you can see, actually all of them are not available. So you have to simply download them, but as you can see, it's quite easy and fast, because here we've got the language we just picked, and right now it is added to the list of added languages. So we can go back to the keyboard and check how it works. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, actually immediately we can see the language we just added. And after tapping on this language key, the globe icon, we are able to change the language. So right now we can simply type in English. What's more, as you can see, the spacebar is not empty. Here we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So basically this is it. This is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not really need two different languages added. So we have to go back to the languages, tap on the settings, enter languages again, and as you can see, it's quite simple to disable the language, because all you have to do is to simply untick it. And from now on, after getting back to the keyboard, you will be able only to type in English. But if you want to remove it from this list, just tap on the trash bin icon, and actually that's all. And we can of course check after getting back to the keyboard. Here we've got only English, and after tapping on the globe icon, actually nothing happens, because we've got only English language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.